In this video, I will show you how to enable VBA project object model in Microsoft Word document. So click on File, then More. Here click on Options. Now here click on Trust Center. Then click on Trust Center Settings. And here you will get this settings, developer macro settings. So you can enable it by clicking this box, trust access to the VBA project object model. And also here you will see some more macro settings. So you can enable all macros, but make sure it's not recommended. Potentially dangerous code can run. So if you're sure you want to use, so you can enable it. Then click on OK. Again click on OK. Now close and reopen your Microsoft Word document. So using this method you can enable or disable VBA project model in Word document. Thanks for watching.